Hi. My name's Christina, and this is a little excerpt from a song that I wrote called Why Do I Love You? And my phone is being stupid, so I can only do part of the song. So here goes. And sorry if it sucks balls. I'm a little sick. If you look into my eyes, I can show you what I'm feeling. Please, I'm begging, do not reject me. I will show you why, because I am in love with you, and I do not know why. If you do find what you seek, please tell me why I love you. If you find what you seek, you will know my feelings. If you see what you need, you will know why. If you find what you seek, you will know my feelings.